Good evening, children. The today topic is rank of a matrix. In this rank of matrix, we got two methods. One is a minor of a matrix, another one is a row echelon form. The first method is minor of matrix. Now study about this. To define the rank of a matrix, we have know about submatrix and minor of matrix. What is submatrix? For example, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are one of the matrix. From this matrix, we want to find the cofactor. Cofactor of 1. How to find out cofactor of 1? Skip out the row and column of 1. What is the rest of the element? This is the cofactor of, this is a submatrix. 5, 6, 8, 9. This is a submatrix of the given matrix. It's given. Let A be a given matrix. A matrix obtained by deleting some rows and columns of A is called, the remaining rest of the elements is called submatrix of A. Is it clear? Then the determinant of a square submatrix. This is a submatrix, no? In this submatrix, we got to expand. You will get some number. What will come? 45 minus 48. That is equal to minus 3. This is the minor of the matrix. The determinant of a square submatrix of a matrix is called minor matrix. Is it clear? This is some definition. Here, the symbol of the rank of the matrix is row of A. Rank of 0 matrix is defined is 0. That is, all the elements is 0. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 0. One note is here. If A is an m by n, m is row, n is column matrix, then row of A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. M is row, m is column. Okay. In this number of rows and number of columns, which is the smallest number, that one we have to assume. That is a row of A. The row of a square matrix of order n is invertible. What is invertible? Non-singular. What is this? Non-singular. If it is, that is, for example, you are expanding this value, it will come some number. There is a invertible. Number means non-singular. Surely you will get rank. Row of A equal to n. It is invertible. It is one of the minor of the matrix nodes. It's very, very important for this. I'll give the sum. For example, 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, A. Okay, given. This is given. Solution. Let we got to assume A equal to 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. Okay. In this matrix, order is 3, 3. You got to write order. Order equal to 3 by 3. Our formula, row of A less than or equal to minimum of row comma column. Now we got to check. The number of rows and number of columns are equal. So that is equal to 3. We got it a minimum number here. The minimum number, both numbers are same. So we got to write 3. Upon possible orders, or this is of column. Possible ranks are, this is 3, no? So we have to start from 3, 2, 1. The possible ranks are 3, 2, 1. Now we got to find out. This is 3, 3. The minimum number is 3 only. So we got to take 3 by 3 matrix. In this 3 by 3 matrix, we got to expand. If it is expand, it will come non-singular matrix, means the sum is over. Now we got to expand here. 3 of 6 minus 6 minus 2 of 6 minus 6, then plus 5 of 3 minus 3. It will come 6 minus 6 0, so it will come 0. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 6 0, it will come 0. 3 minus 3 0, it will come 0. So totally 0. So the determinant is 0. No, it will come 0. We cannot find out any rank. So 3, it is not possible to find out rank. What is the next rank? 2 or 1. How we can find 2 or 1? 3 by 3, determinant of matrix value is 0. So we can consider 2 by 2 matrix. Take from this given equation, we have to take 2 by 2, any 2 by 2 matrix. Take 3, 2, 1, 1, expand. What will come? 3 minus 2. that is equal to 1, not equal to 0. But therefore, row of A is equal to 1. Therefore, the rank is 1. The sum is 1. Suppose in 2 by 2 matrix, again it will come 0. Immediately we got to write the rank of the matrix is 1. 3 by 3 becomes 0. We got to convert it to 2 by 2. Expand this 2 by 2, again 0. The rank is 1. Suppose 3 by 3 matrix, when you are expanding, it will come not equal to 0. The rank is 3. Okay, suppose 0 converted to 2 by 2 matrix. In this 2 by 2 matrix is 0, we can take another 2 by 2. This is also 0, take another 2 by 2. So we got to take, the number will come 0, the number will come non-singular. The answer will come non-singular, means it will come rank is n. That is, note is given, no? Rank of A equal to n. When determinant is not equal to 0, it is a rank. Any doubt, children? Thank you.